to We Play Along, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some signs about different holidays. Okay, because this time of year we have a lot of holidays that we celebrate. Oh, and if you can see, if you've watched some of our other videos, like one of them in the Around the House series, you got to meet my dog, Tamale. And she's a big dog, and when I'm walking one way and she walks another, so it's not a big deal, but if you see this bandage, that's what it is. It's little deal, but anyway, that's what that is. So let's get back to holidays. So we take our 5 hands and we're going to tap our shoulders with our thumbs because it's like we're just kind of carefree and happy. So this is holiday. And for celebrate, you're going to make 2 X hands and circle them around like woohoo. Let's all celebrate. So when we celebrate our holidays, it's a real fun time for everybody. Fun is from your nose down to 2 fingers here. This is fun. And we're happy about it. So for happy, you can do it 1 hand or 2 hands. You're full of joy. And when you sign happy or merry, or good cheer, it would be all the same sign. You need to smile, all right? Because your face has to match the sign. So this is happy, merry, jolly, good cheer. It's all the same sign, all right? So in December, we have the celebration of Hanukkah. So in Hanukkah, they light the candles. This is a sign for candle. You're going to take a pointer finger and your other 5 hand, but wiggle your fingers like the flame on a candle. So we're going to light the candles for Hanukkah. So you're going to take 2 forehands like this, and you're going to come out. It symbolizes the menorah because you have the center candle in the middle, and then you have 4 candles on each side. So you would say, Happy Hanukkah. Then we have Christmas. So you're going to make the letter C. With 1 hand, you're going to go from your shoulder and you're going to arc it up and come down. It's like the top of a Christmas wreath. So this is a sign for Christmas. Now, Christmas is, we celebrate that day because that's the day that Jesus was born. So the sign for Jesus is you're going to take 1 flat hand here and the middle finger, and you're going to tap the middle of your palm, and then you're going to flip it or change it so where the middle finger taps the palm of the other hand, because when he was nailed to the cross, he would have these holes in his hands. So this is a sign for Jesus. And but we celebrate Christmas is the day that Jesus was born. So this flat hand here and this flat hand comes out and around. So this is a sign for born. So we would say Merry Christmas. And a lot of people will have a Christmas tree. And for many, that's the day that Santa Claus comes. For Santa, you're going to come from your chin down, just kind of circle it around here to your chest. It's for his beard, because Santa has a big beard. Okay? And then we have Kwanzaa. Now, Kwanzaa is the celebration of African American traditional heritage and their culture. Okay, so it's going to start with the letter K. You have to make 2 K hands. So you have a K with your right and a left, and they come in the middle because they also have candles that they're going to have a center candle, and then they end up with 3 on either side of that center one. So it's a total of 7 candles. Right? So we go from the K to the 2 3s. Okay, for the candles. That would be Kwanzaa. And after that, the last day of the year is New Year's. Okay, so new, you're going to make a kind of a cupped hand here and a cup, and it's kind of, this one kind of swings around like that. Then you make a fist, and you take a fist here at the top, and because the earth circles around the sun, so pretend like this is the sun and this is the earth. So that would be the sign for year. So we're going to say Happy New Year. Okay, got that? Okay, now there might be other holidays that people celebrate in December or throughout the year, but now you know the signs for holiday and celebrate. So have a really happy new year.
Play, play, play.